At a protest rally that was held in Shillong on the 24th of June 2022, several youths who had appeared for the Common Entrance Examination CEE for enrollment into the Indian Army in the regular service had voiced out their discontent at the recent announcement of the central government's Agnipath Scheme. The frustrated youth informed that having passed both the physical and medical tests as criteria for the CEE, they will now be recruited under the Agnipath scheme as the previous exams remain cancelled.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12.
Bagi sokar kan kondok nama exam jeng kajisha iwan sini kajisha yap community stang joining na mar la yo ini kan district jangi kalau poi ha district jangi don south district poi Meghalaya bat gila yo kena letar jar district jangi Haniro kalau mention you are professionally selected for enrollment into Indian Army as Sotia.
All boys from the opposite district got selected in Indian Army last year in 2021, rally 7th April. The rally was held in Aspirants GPC. So our first exam date was 30 May. So from that day, they have been postponed many times, like from May to July, July to August, September, October, November. The last was in November 28. So they said that your exam has been postponed due to coronavirus. So from the November, it was the last date in the November. But we have seen that SSC exam has held many places in India, all over India. But for them, there is no coronavirus. Assam Rifle having their own rallies, they are having their all the written exam, physical, medical, everything. Now they have been in training center. Those who candidate have been selected, they are in academy, training academy. But our exam has been cancelled suddenly. When this Agnipath scheme has come, then our CE exam also has been cancelled because they said that all vacancy, all the rally will be taken under the Agnipath scheme. But we have given our rally not through this Agnipath scheme. We have given like before normal. So we won our exam. We don't want that our exam should be cancelled because we have done hard work. Like we wake up at the morning 4 a.m. and we went for running and all. The competition is not only few, only 10, 20. The competition we run at once is 200, 500. From 500, we used to select only 10 of them. So these are those guys who have been selected from the 500s. So why our hard work will be gone like this? No, we want our justice. We want our government, like CM, governor should listen us that we want our rights. We want our CE exam. Please help us to get our rights.